Hello everyone, our names are Andrew.
And Dennis.
We've chosen problems L and M from contest 5 and we're going to describe them. So I'm going to start with problem L and Andrew is going to describe problem M. So in problem L, we're given two real numbers, x and y. We have to check if the point with coordinates x and y belongs to the shaded square, including its boundary. If the point belongs to the square, we have to output yes, otherwise we have to output no. In the figure, the grid is shown with step 1. So in this picture, we can see the given square, shaded square, and a solution should contain function is point and square with arguments x and y, returning true if point belongs, and false if point does not belong to shaded square. Input format are two real numbers, x and y, and output format is yes or no. So firstly, we input two float numbers. And then we create our own new function with using def. Function's name is going to be is point and square. And then we write two arguments of the function x and y. So then we have to write the conditions which will return true. So conditions with which this program will work. This problem is going to be solved if the coordinate x of the point is going to be greater or equal to -1 and less or equal to 1, and coordinate y of our point needs also to be greater or equal to -1 and less or equal to 1. So after printing our new function, we have to write the conditions using if function. And both of the conditions should be true in case we want this program to work. So after writing the conditions, we return yes in our function. And then we write that if those conditions do not work, we return no to the function. So now we've written the whole solution and we have to print an answer which will be returned from a function to a print function. So that is the whole solution. Now we have to check if it works. We will use examples which are given in the task. So first inputs are 0 and 0, and the answer should be yes. So we can see that our program works. Next we have to input 3 and -7, and the answer should be no. So we can see that the program works. So I think now we should proceed to task M.
Hello everyone, that's my part of our video, and I would like to solve the problem M of the contest 5. Let's start with reading the conditions. So the name of this problem is inside circle, and the conditions are as follows. 5 real numbers are given, x, y, xc, yc are, and we have to check whether the point belongs to a circle with a center xc, yc and radius r. If the point belongs, we output the word yes, and otherwise we are to output the word no. So the solution must contain the function isPoint in circle. So input format is five numbers x, y, xc, yc and r. And let's go ahead and start writing code. So first of all, we are to input our 5 variables, x, let them be float. I believe the simplest way is to copy them. And we are to change their names, y, xc, x, y, yc, and radius r. So then I would like to import math model. I believe it will make our solution easier. So then we are to write our function def. I forgot the name of the function. Let's copy it. The name is isPoint in circle. So we have done it, and there is a formula of finding the distance between two dots. I believe we can write this formula using math model, using math square root. Square root of the distance between x's, xc minus x, then times 2 plus distance between YC and Y, and the similar situation times 2. So this is our formula. What shall we do with this formula? Let's use the operation while. Why not? And this distance of our dot and the center of a circle should be less or equal to the center of this circle R. And in this particular case, we are to return yes. Otherwise, we return no. So let's print it out and learn if it works. X, Y, XC, YC, and R. So let's use samples given in the contest. Yes, the answer is yes, it is right answer. Next example. So that's right. I believe this solution is right. I hope this video will be published after the deadline of this contest, so nobody will have the ability for cheating. Thank you very much. I believe this video was useful for somebody.